Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare stewed kale. Stewed kale is one of my favorite vegetable. I love eating it with rice, with boiled potato, with yam. And this is because of the nutritional benefits of kale. It's rich in essential minerals and vitamins. For us to start, we need to blend our tomato with our sweet pepper and Scotch bonnet to give it some spiciness. And we then blend this. After blending, you bring it to boil to evaporate out the excess water from the blended tomato paprika. And once this has finished boiling, we'll season it up. Add oil to fry the sauce. Give it a gentle stirring to allow the oil to incorporate well into the tomato and paprika mix. Now you can it's time to remove the skin from our boiled fish. This step is essential but not necessary. So if you need to prepare your stewed kale without any fish or meat, it's okay. I love adding boiled fish. Sometimes if I have chicken, I could dice my chicken into small chunks and add it to the sauce. But today I'm going to be using boiled salmon fish. So once you've removed the skin of the boiled salmon fish, you add it to your sauce that is frying on the pan. Mix it together. At this stage, I'm using the spoon to break down the fish into smaller chunks so that you have a evenly distributed fish in your sauce. And once this process has been completed, it's time to add in our kale. So I bought already chopped kale. If you do not have access to chopped kale, you can buy the leafy ones and cut them into the size you would prefer. For me, I like buying the already cut kale because it saves me time. All I just need to do is wash the leaves properly, and then start cooking. Please do not cover the kale when you are mixing it with the sauce, because the greenness can be easily bleached away by covering it. So mix and mix and mix just to incorporate the sauce together with the leafy kale. And you will know that this is ready when the size of your kale has reduced, because when it becomes softened, the bulkiness of it goes down, and you have your pretty looking green kale stew. Guys, this kale stew is so delicious that sometimes I can finish half the pot just eating it alone without anything. Stirring the leaf to allow it to cook evenly. I don't want one side to be cooked and the other side still green, so I just keep mixing till I think the mixing time takes about 2 to 3 minutes to bring it down to the fully cooked stage. You can see the juice coming out from the leaf. Just keep stirring it and stirring it. So now I will add in my salt, just a little salt to season the leaf, and allow it to cook gently on low heat for just 1 minute more. And guys, guess what? our stewed kale is ready. You can see from the funimorous look that is looking like eat me, eat me, eat me. I eventually hate it because it's just too beautiful to pack it away just like that. So if you enjoy eating kale, you should try this recipe. Even if you've never tried the kale before, try it because of this recipe. You will love it.